Ajak suing kebesakan tinya salam, angga Alicia isang ma nak simang na daalin ko bako para katinga. Kata bichongrang. MNREGA sal, Rechazana Labor Scheme ko jela aro songadam no kadamo abachenga singa. Meghalaya atuko EMRI Workers Union rang GVK aro EMRI ko ragal na dabia. Meghalaya atuk ni chadam birang hazagani kolgani ni sutpichet kepa Junior National Aquatic Championship po bakra. Museum on Wheels ko Sin Raj Jowayo, Pedingkla Manyanyo o Pokani ko dakanga. Hazagani kolgani Bilsini Julai Jani Chisa Tariko, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act GNMNR EGA onga kusal Rechazana hajira kaani ko jela aro songadam no katamo abachingani ko julmana parakanga. Adoni convention holo tup bimonganio MLA Hamilton Doling aro Sri Tabor Patau GNMDC ongani dongpaanio ya kubro ko parakatanga.
Very happy and I must say I'm satisfied to see today that very important issue which I have been communicating and discussing with all of you. So many of you have met me personally. Many local leaders have met me personally, demanding that this should be clarified and the census towns should get the MGNREGA. It is with a great sense of satisfaction today that I stand here that Government of India has agreed to give the census towns the MGNREGA benefit and the scheme.
Meghalaya adokni EMRI Workers Union ni thombi monganio hazagni holgurkni Bilsini Julai Jani chigni tariko ngata yo thombi monganio karam skarang chanchigrume adok sarkari na kanta sotsni gni GVK aro EMRI ko ragalna somai ko na Miss Microlina Siemle Jan Union ni president nga parakatanga ha GVK ni 108 baksa salanti kam ka anyo thangon rukrkani ko naka aro EMRI ni patient rangna somai kata nama nirok sandiani ko dakna man gijani ko paraka sarkari ni yarang ko namme nirok sandi gijani gemen parakatanga ha
Bakado yang ni bangin hapen namar balai ladangin pen ro ke sarkar kam snap yang ni tingi ko abak sarkar kan le tinakal yang jungi ni aipor ke sarkar mentas namar kat ni hatu bangi fight hakalas ni aipor ke sarkar artayo tikani ke jingle jungi ke mentakarai ke bangi shim kum ke house kum ke union hi hadin jongan ke general meeting ni shim ke rai ba kam de shu ke jing bakala ke jongi ni aipor ke sarkar ba tam nyoku ar kenta na khibet minmet ni khanya kata Nyupu akan tanah din kan arbiji sibet minit hadin light ni lada kasorkar kam khot yang ni lani kam le ya ke ke badon kam di nakalian jungi ngim bansi ngin hablet da strong agitation kata ba ngin stop ikan ke service ke jongi
hazagini khulgrukni Bilsini Julai Jani chisa tariko Meghalaya adukni Swimming Association ni selection test ko Bilsi chisni ong parang na dakanga ya selection test ko hazagni khulgrukni ni soprichet kapa Junior National Aquatic Championship na Swimming Federation of India ni gita taw Odisha au dokni khulgruk Julai jaw na ngatanginga
Marba gila ban poi haduk khatnyo khatfang one of the largest contingents inum ikram state ki bahe and the state ki baret in the northeast gidan tang Tripura Manipur Assam but Meghalaya southeast states.
So he has been a great instructor for me. He's been very friendly. So I never had a passion for swimming until my dad, he introduced me to swimming, told me to try it out if I liked it. So when I tried it out, I started liking it, having fun, and then I introduced it to my friends, and all of us, we started to swim. So now I want to represent the state and win a medal for Meghalaya. Thank you.
Arts and Culture at Dok Sarkari ni Sin Raj Joy Baksa Bakrum Museum on Wheels ko lamun siang o bedin klam ni gni gpa salo praka ya changka ba wheels Bilsi sotpunga Meghalaya adok ni songyani ko aro asongna dakrking parang ko muksunga ya bedin klam ko Julai Jani chisa thari ko ni prung singau ni Aitnar obolio nani chia pachangani ko daka jaman baby agaparang plak sabisi rangani ko naljuke dongna gata bolio bakrangani ko dakanga Dian Alni Khobarang Nga Sakantikon Metela.